Hello everyone and welcome to the life of a professional windsurfer in the Canaries. And this is how the day starts. We go to check the spot every single morning, but today was totally flat, so we decided to change and we're going like 15 minutes away to another spot where should be way more waves. Welcome to Playa de Vargas, but it's not windy. I mean, yes, it's windy, but I think there's a better place, even more north. So I think we go there. Welcome now to Ojos. The condition looks way better. We got waves and way more wind. So I'm definitely going in the water right now. This place is just under an airport, so you have planes taking off on your head like all the time. Hey, in the end Vargas was bad. It was like no wind and small waves. So in the end we came to Ojos. It's really good. I'm going in the water with 3.8. Come on, hurry up. I just called Adam. Hopefully he comes. Come on, it's so good. The session in Ojos was definitely not good. Anyway, we came back here in Vargas, but we just discovered that Ojos was the best place to be, so well, in the end it's okay. Now we're gonna come back to Pozo, and I'm probably gonna have a session there. Checking the spot now for the second session. Hopefully it's good, but doesn't look like it. But well, I really want a session anyway, so I think I go, it is what it is. Actually not looking too bad, so yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I go. Oh wow, in the end it was a really good session. I don't know how, but maybe it's because like I didn't have any expectation and then I just went in just for a session and then it was really good. After the session, you obviously don't want to cook anything, right? so let's go to la ola. Chi? Non lo so però. Guarda qua. This is always the best part of the night. Just play pool. Vai. Due? Sì. Oh, una spaccata e una piena.
No, es el coche de mi niña.
Sì.